Dear students, today we will start with our unit 2, that is data dissemination and management. So, timely and accurate information is essential for performing our various day-to-day tasks, and it may be helpful for decision making. So, this information is provided to us by various sources. Some of the information is pushed via some mechanism like newspaper, television, radio, telemarketing, electronic billboards and flyers in the mall. And other information we have to explicitly seek, or we have to pull that information. So for that purpose we have to query, and the information provider will provide us the information. So there are two modes, pull mode and push or publish subscribe mode. So in pull mode we have to query to the for the particular information to the information source, and that information provider will provide us the service. And the second is publish subscribe mode, where the information is broadcast on various channels. So in publish subscribe mode, in mobile computing, the publish subscribe mode is combined with the broadcast nature of wireless communication to provide the resource efficient and scalable information delivery. Okay, so mobility presents some of the novel challenges in designing the service, like mobility presents some novel challenges in designing the service, such as email and information broadcasting in a wireless mobile environment. And this wireless transmission is characterized by such problems such as signal fading, path loss, interference, time disappearance, signal distortions. So this led to the higher error rates and signal distortions. A consequences is that wireless links have a lower bandwidth and a higher communication latency. Providing information services to mobile client is an important application of publish subscribe mode of data dissemination. So that information may be of financial information, airport information, emergency services for traffic information. So these informations are provided to us using the publish and subscribe mode. So in this we will consider the issue like how to structure an information server to provide wide area services, publication frequency, how often we have to publish that data, and bandwidth allocation, how we will allocate the bandwidth for uplink and downlink channel. Uplink means sending the query to the server, and downlink means giving the reply from the server. So how we will adjust our bandwidth. So that is the main issue in the publish subscribe mode or broadcast channel. Next is the information caching. So most of us maintain a cache of money in our wallet, and when we want that we will withdraw that money from our packet, and again we will fill that cache of money by withdrawing the money from the bank. So likewise we will maintain a cache in our kitchen also. And the second concept is hoarding. We will hoard the things that is not possible to get all the time. So likewise there is a information caching. We will cache the information that we want. So instead of going to the server, we will use that information cache at the client side. Okay, and in that case, if the information is accessible to multiple users, then consistency is the main important part of that cache system. Okay, so that is the information caching. So thank you so much.